I come from an India where kids don't go to the study, they go to their survive. I come from an India where the teachers are supposed to guide, but instead they beat, insult, and break the spirits of the students. Slap and scolding are the past of the discipline. I come from an India where a child who asks a question here, how dare you question me? Who do you think you are? I come from an India where the curiosity is punished, not encouraged for the students. I come from an India where the system isn't built to make you think, it's built to make you obey. I come from an India where ratta marlo score liao is the golden rule. No understanding, no originality, just memorize and vomit in exams. I come from an India where the students with real talent are told, forget your passion, stick to the syllabus. Creativity is treated like a disease. I come from an India where the mental health isn't even a conversation. You are not allowed to feel anxious, lost, or tired. If you are called weak or dramatic. I come from an India where the slap breaks a child confidence. I come from an India where every insult kills their spirit. I come from an India everywhere chup baith ja, silence is their dreams. I come from an India where the coaching center don't care about the child, they only care about the fees. I come from an India and I feel the child fails, parents are told you are not a good kid enough. No one ever says the system is very toxic. I come from an India where the students are not nurtured, they are programmed. And I wonder, I come from the India where a depressed child is blamed not trying too hard enough, but no one sees he was never taught, he was only pressured. I come from an India where this is not education, this is the systematic torture. And I come from an India where a child who dares to the question is seen as disrespectful because talent never grows under the fear.
हम बेंच पे बैठे हुए थे तो लड़का लेट से आया तो हम बोले कोना था न जाओ तो बीच में बैठ गया तो उसका पीछे से एक तो दोस्त था तो उसको एक थाप मार दिया तो हम भी उठ के मारने लगे तो हमको सर कैमरा में देख लिया हमको आके डायरेक्ट मारने लगा पूरा